If you are someone who are starting your weight loss journey, are worried about your weight, then these are the three myths you need to be aware of. Myth number one, eating less. There are so many people out there, especially female women. They are eating less and reach out to me and say that I am eating, see, I am eating this, only this, juices, waters, and no carbs and all, but yet I'm not been able to get my results. Yes, that's a fact. You will not get the results if you ate less than what your body needs. So please don't try this experiment with your health because it will adversely affect in your overall health. Myth number two, exercise. People think that if we do more exercise, if we do more walking, more running, it will help in losing weight. It's just a temporary thing. The role of exercise is only 20% in overall weight loss journey. Rest all, it's a diet and nutrition. So make sure your body is prepared to handle more exercises with proper diet and nutrition. And third is the most frightened thing. The third myth that I personally faced a lot is that supplements. Most people are fear on supplements. They are worried that taking supplements or shakes might damage their kidneys and health. It's a half truth. Half truth why? Because if you are taking the supplements with the local brands, common brands who don't have all the health certifications out there, okay, you might be getting the same. But when you associate it with the right brand, taking the supplements from the brand who prepared so all the quality checkings and all, you will definitely enjoy the good health. Okay, so I faced all this when I started my journey 3 years back. I lost 20 kgs. I was 96 kgs, and from there on I lost about 20 kgs, and from 3 years I could be able to maintain my weight. And it's not only me, my wife, and there are so many people in our communities are enjoying their health like never before. So if you are someone who want to learn all the myths and facts about weight loss and want to start your weight loss journey in the right way and get the desired results you want to, please join my 90 minutes masterclass where I will unfold some fat loss secrets that had helped me in my journey. And I'm sure if you attend this masterclass and stay till the end, you will enjoy some bonuses out there and you will enjoy the quality knowledge that will definitely help you. Click on the link below, join the masterclass. I will see you inside.